Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mapenzo to TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by the best dressed.
Hey, Stibo.
Sure,
How's it?
I'm Nani.
Hey. So, I think in the past 2 days,
Yes,
mang checka all the socials.
Yes.
Hey, you guys were trending. Yeah, banye bathi uyabona lama fans wethu manje angeke sawabheka. But Stibo, mina I want to educate people. Ukuthi views that are said here are not the views of the platform.
Yes.
These are the fans' views.
Yes.
And even if you go to the videos,
Yes.
when you click there, there's a disclaimer there. It tells you ukuthi these are not your views as a station. Those are our views as fans.
Yes.
So whether they are good or bad, but they remain the views of the fans,
Yes,
not necessarily of the platform. So maybe we need to distinguish that so that because abanye bazothe le stage asistandi what. Remember, that's how we have came to where we are today. Because we are not censoring views.
Yes, true.
And that made us where we are today.
Yes.
As a platform.
Yes.
So that's what I just wanted to highlight before sikhuluma ngendaba zaseMorocco. Ukuthi kune disclaimer bafethu iyasho ukuthi lama views ala ewama fans akuse we station.
Yes.
Yeah, so whatever that has been said here, whether good or bad, whether it offends other people or not, but there's a disclaimer into what people are saying or what people are about to watch.
Sure.
Yeah,
so cancel.
Yeah, bangas cancel because the platform is owned by young people.
Yes.
And there's high level of unemployment in the country. Yes. So young people are trying to find something that they can do since nale challenges now.
Yes.
So in order for us to siba support, we don't have to crush them. Let's support the young boys. Yeah. Let's support the young people that are trying their best. They are not stealing.
Yes.
They came with a concept and the concept is working for them.
Yeah.
So let's appreciate that. Stibo, let's go to Morocco. To be honest with you, I think the timing of the game for me is quite problematic in a sense that the games are organized in December. I don't know about other countries, but in South Africa, there's a serious problem because majority of people don't watch these games. Remember, this is a time where, South Africans will spend time with their families and their loved ones. Yes. So in most cases, when these games are playing, some of the people are on the road, some are sitting somewhere, they've got their own gatherings and stuff. So that it's a bit challenging particularly for South Africans. I'm not sure about the other African countries, but here at home, I can tell you now, if you can ask me about other games, I didn't get an opportunity to watch those games. So the timing, but also I'm complaining about the attendance, and I'm saying to Morocco, Football Federation, please do something, because we would have seen in all these games, particularly games where you'll find South Africa, Zimbabwe, sometimes the attendance is questionable. Yes. Remember, we also once had the AFCON here in the country, and the issue of support was never a problem to any other country, by the way. The stadiums were always packed. So what do you do if people are not interested? Maybe give them free tickets so that they can just go to the games and watch the games.
That's true.
And then the VAR issue, I'm happy today that at least it worked. For us as South Africans, because there's some say we are talking out, le VAR ngathi na mehlo ngathi yabheka ukuthi ubani ubani, but I'm happy ukuthi today it came to the party. Yes. And it assisted. We always knew that the Zimbabwe game is going to be very difficult. because one, we you know, we coming from sovereign, all of us. They wanted to prove a point, but also they wanted to qualify.
Yes.
Because the opportunity was there, the group was quite open. So they came to this game, of course, hoping that they might upset South Africa. Ngikhala ngento eyodwa Sithibo. And I think now that we have qualified, it's actually giving Coach Hugo Broos an opportunity to fix our defense.
Yeah.
We've got a serious problem there.
Yeah.
And if we get a smart and stronger opponent, because remember they are beginning to study us now.
Yeah.
That's where we're going to have serious problems.
Yeah.
So Egwa manje njengoba sothola a bit of a breather since we have qualified. I think this is an opportunity for a coach to consolidate there at the back.
Yeah.
Check the proper combinations at the back.
Yes.
And ayibone ukuthi uyilungisa kanjani. Also all the time when he approach the games unalento ka Mokoena and Sithole. And sometimes I think Sithole is playing too deep. Kuba a problem. So because if you can check second half, he introduced the Obas, and immediately the game changed, and the likes of Yombule started to play your Apolis. Yeah, the game was flowing very nicely.
Yes.
But my biggest concern is the issue of the back line, because even when there are set pieces. Ayikho lento ukuthi let's man to man, let's see ukuthi simaka kanjani. We prefer what we call zonal marking, and that thing is problematic because if ngidlala nawe, I'm thinking ukuthi you are going to attack this ball.
Yeah.
And now you are thinking ukuthi I'm attacking this ball.
Yeah.
So the issue of zonal marking, I don't think is working. Even kuma set piece nje generally we are not doing well.
Yeah.
But so far Sithibo, I'm very happy. We qualified. And we move on. And one can say, South Africans, let's rally behind the team. I mean, I'm not a party to these issues.
Politics.
Yeah, football politics. I'm not there.
Yeah.
I'm saying all South Africans, let's rally behind the team because we have qualified. Now, when you are in a last 16, it's knockouts.
Yeah.
You play bad that day, you are out. So into ekumele siyenze, let's take one game at a time.
Sure.
Masingazithola suku last 8, I'll celebrate, but eventually I know ukuthi this thing is coming home.
Yeah.
I'm still confident ukuthi we are bringing this one back.
Sure.
Thanks Steve.
Awungangi man of the match.
Man of the match yami ngizothi Apolis.
Police.
Yeah, we slightly bekayibambile team, you know, kayikerile. So I'll say my man of the match is Apolis.
Thank you, Pucha.
Tada.
Aya uyibekile Pucha.